Use the video effects on Medicom. Go to video. Okay, you can use this one. You go to media files. If you have the video that you wanna play, go to media files. So like for example, I have this video on my desktop, so I'll choose this, open. So there it is. You just have to click trans and there. And when you go to AC, it's already played there. And also if you're using YouTube URL or the link of the YouTube, you can also go here. YouTube URL, you paste the URL here and then click OK. That's very simple. Okay, when going back to your camera, you'll just have to click the trans rather. There. Video, camera. That's very simple. Okay.